Welcome to our exploration of unique and luxurious Balinese home designs, where traditional aesthetics meet modern comfort. In this showcase, we'll delve into stunning architectural elements that reflect the rich culture and natural beauty of Bali, Indonesia. First, we encounter a luxurious villa, elegantly framed by intricate wooden carvings, and a serene infinity pool that seamlessly blends into the lush surroundings. Each space is designed to harmonize with nature, offering an open concept layout that invites abundant natural light. As we move inside, notice the traditional Balinese living room, adorned with bamboo furniture and vibrant textiles, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The bedrooms, featuring four-poster beds and private garden views, provide a tranquil retreat for relaxation. In the heart of the home, the kitchen combines open-air design with modern amenities, all while maintaining a connection to Balinese traditions through the use of natural materials. Step outside and you'll find stunning outdoor areas, from lounging gazebos surrounded by tropical gardens to beautiful poolside settings, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying quiet moments. With each design element, these homes tell a story of Bali's rich heritage while embracing contemporary living. Join us as we continue to explore these breathtaking spaces that embody luxury, comfort, and a deep respect for nature. Experience the essence of Balinese design that inspires tranquility and harmony in every corner.